Hello guys, greetings to you all and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your unlocked Rocky Rabbit from the bot. Then can be able to withdraw it, unlock it and claim it to your wallet, the one you submitted, any Tom wallet that you submitted, okay? So this is the process that you have to follow. Firstly, you come to this wallet session. You tap on the wallet session, then you see this rabbit coin. You see the amount of token that was vested for me. Okay, so I'll click on it, RBTC. Then if you take a look at my own, you will see that I've already claimed mine. So I tried to record a tutorial when I was doing it and it wasn't successful for me. But just stick around this video and do what I do, click what I click and do what I tell you, and you will be able to withdraw your own. Okay, so in your own case, once you open this wallet session and open this RBTC, what you'll be seeing here is unlock. Then you will see something like a key symbol that was unlocked. If you tap on it, they will show you something like play a game once to unlock it. So that is this place that they wrote your vesting will unlock if you play at least once per unlock period. So once you see that, the next thing you have to do is to come to this P2E session. That is where you'll be playing the game to unlock it. You click on P2E, you will see the available game for this particular session, IQ Rabbits. Then all you have to do is just to predict if BTC will be going up and down. Then after each session, just one time playing and it will be unlocked for you. So it doesn't really matter whether you get the prediction correct or wrong. Understand? You just have to participate in a tournament once. So but before you can be able to play this game, you will need some of these tokens. If you click on this place that you are seeing the RBTC logo, let's tap on it. You will see the coins that you need to play the game. So is either you use RBTC to play the game, or use Toncoin, Hamster, Notcoin, or Dogs, all right, to play the game. But you don't necessarily have to bring it through all these coins, because I'll be showing you how to get the RBTC that you use to play the game. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to come to this section that they wrote task. Then you click on it. You scroll up, you will see a couple of activities that you can perform, or let me say a couple of tasks that you can perform and get this RBTC points that you can use to play the game. Okay, that's exactly what I did. And if you take a look at my own activity session, you will see that I've performed all these tasks and I've been able to use the points to play the game. So this one will carry 500, 500, 500. RBTC 500, 500 and so on and so forth. Okay, so you have to do is just to head straight to this place and make sure that you perform all these tasks so that you can be able to get free RBTC that you will use to play the game. Okay, after you've performed the task and claim your RBTC, you can come to this place that they wrote play to unlock. It's still an easy way. You will click on it and read what they say. To unlock your vesting tokens, play at least one round in any Rocky Rabbit game during the period. Either win or lose, just finish a round. Hope you guys can see it. Whether it doesn't matter whether you win or you lose, just make sure you finish a round and you are good to go. Okay, so after you've performed the task and collect some tokens here, RBTC point, you come to this P2E, click on IQ Rabbits. Then you input 1,500, that is the minimum, okay, that you can use to play. But before then, make sure that this particular countdown is green. That is when you can be able to predict, okay. Then you come here, hope you guys can see 1,500. That is the minimum. By then you will be getting at least 4,000 to 5,000 balance here, RBTC, after you've performed the task. Then all you have to do is just to put 1,500 and choose either the market will be going up or it will be going down. Then you just play the game once. It don't necessarily mean whether you get the prediction right or wrong. You are good to go. So after you've played the game, then you come back to this wallet and click on this place. After you click on this place, then you tap on here, you will see unlocked successful up here, or claim successful, anyone. Okay, so after you've done that, the next thing is to proceed with the withdrawal. Okay, sometimes it will not be withdrawn for you automatically, but in most cases you can see the withdrawal automatically. So after you've unlocked it, you head straight to this withdrawal button so that you can be able to withdraw it to your wallet. Okay, so after you've claimed it, you will see that this your RBTC here will be open. All right, the reason why my own is locked is because I've already withdrawn mine. So the one that is currently here is the one that is vested. But in your own case, you will see that this particular button will be activated the way this Toncoin is activated. Okay, so you click on it, you will see option to choose the amount of RBTC you want to withdraw. you just hit on maximum. Okay, just hit on maximum, then you withdraw all the RBTC that was unlocked for you. You will see option withdraw to your wallet, then they will ask you to input the code that they will send. You click on send code, then you come down here. This is where you'll be getting the code under the home button of RBTC. Then you'll be getting the code there. They'll put the code, proceed with the withdrawal. Just give them a few minutes and you will receive your RBTC in your wallet. Okay, so if you take a look at my withdrawal records, this is my withdrawal records. All right, you will see that my own has been withdrawn successfully. So take a look at this particular withdrawal record, 11/23/2024. That was when I unlocked mine and I withdrew it. So I hope you guys can see success to show you that I've already unlocked mine and withdraw it successfully. Okay, so that is where you have to come and check your own withdrawal record. So if you come here and you see something like pending, just give them some time and it will drop. The next thing you will see success. Okay, so that is just how to unlock, withdraw and claim your RBTC to your anytime wallet of your choice. Okay, so do well to follow the step-by-step guide that I showed you guys and withdraw your own. Okay, so that's all I really want to share with you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming around. See, I come your way next time. Stay blessed and keep winning. Bye for now.